cost of James Hardie siding is really dependent on the type of siding that you put on. So James Hardie has a wide variety of product styles which allow you to get the look that you want. So depending on also what we're taking off. Obviously taking stucco siding off versus a regular wood siding or vinyl siding is going to have an impact on cost. So the cost can be quite variable, but generally speaking, it's about 15% more than vinyl siding, about the same as steel siding, and much less than wood siding. Now, as you look at doing shingles and vertical siding and some of the detail work, those are all things that would bump up that cost. But the cost is very palatable, and it's not as extravagant as brick or stucco or stone siding.